How to cure loose motion during pregnancy naturally. Home remedies can be helpful when you are suffering from frequent loose motions. Some of the common remedies practiced are listed below. Number 1. Mustard seeds. Dissolve the 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds in a tablespoon of water and leave it still for an hour. Then use this water like a regular oral tonic. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day to get rid of loose motion. Mustard seeds are said to have good antibacterial properties. Number 2. Lemonade. Lemon juice has anti-inflammatory properties that will help in easily cleaning toxins from the stomach. First, extract the juice and add 1 tablespoon of salt along with a tablespoon of sugar to it. Mix it well and then consume this lemonade every hour till you feel that the toxins have been flushed out. Number 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate effectively helps in reducing the loose motion problem. The seeds from 2 pomegranate fruit today are enough to stop continuous bowel motions. Number 4. Honey. Honey is a natural medicine that can cure a lot of health-related issues. Take a teaspoon of fresh, pure honey, especially organic honey, and add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a glass of lukewarm water. Mix it well before drinking. Repeat this process for 2 days. There will be a visible reduction in bladder infections and thereby loose motions. Number 5. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is considered to be an effective health drink in India as it provides a soothing and cooling effect. It has the ability to fight the bacterial infection in the stomach. Add a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper powder or jeera powder or turmeric powder in a jar and shake the contents well. Consume it at least 2 to 3 times a day can help you in getting rid of loose stools. If you like the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.